I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring power and connection baseline. Charge both earbuds and the case to more than 50% so voltage isn't the culprit. Then look at the right bud for visible debris or a misseated silicone tip that blocks sound. Once done, remove the tip and clean the mesh with a soft brush. Make sure to forget the Jabra Elite 75T on your phone to clear pairing cache. This clears simple software and physical issues before deeper fixes. Next, you repair and update. Install Jabra Sound Plus and follow prompts to update firmware because firmware mismatches often break one bud audio. Once updated, pair the case and both buds, then test mono playback by playing audio with only the right bud to isolate the issue. If the right bud fails, use the app's diagnostics and ANC or hear through tests to capture error states. These steps reveal whether the problem is software, settings, or hardware. Finally, perform a factory-style reset. Remove both buds, put them in the case, then press and hold the case button for the manufacturer's reset sequence to restore default pairing and audio routing. If that doesn't help, clean the charging pins and speaker mesh, try a different silicone tip, and test charging current. Poor contact can stop one bud charging. If problems persist after these steps, contact Jabra support or initiate a warranty repair. One key
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.